Hey guys, I started making a feather sun catcher, but it turned into a wall hanging, and here's what I did. First I drew feathers, but you could just look for images online. You'll need some kind of plastic. I cut the sides so that it was a flat sheet. Tape your drawing to the back of the plastic and start painting. I use the colors creamsicle, coral, and white. Use less coats of paint if you want it to be more transparent, and I probably should have painted the outline first. I removed the paper and painted another coat of black on the outline. I also painted the outline on the other side. Then I cut out the feathers. I made a hole near the top with a needle and thread, although it might be easier if you made holes before cutting out the pieces. Tie them at different lengths and make a loop at the top. Another option is to mix ink from a marker with washable glue to color in the feather. Here's one I made using puffy paint as the outline, although there were some air bubbles. Hang it and your plastic feather sun catcher or wall hanging is done.